Read, then write. I'm Claire. I have got 3 yellow arms and 5 red legs. This is my friend Susan. She's got 4 purple heads and 6 toes. Look, Granny has got pink feet. Granddad's got 7 toes. This is my brother. He has got 3 purple arms and 5 green legs. Read, then match color. I am Angela. I have got a red shirt, a red t-shirt. I'm Bob. I have got blue trousers. Number 2. He's Jevan. He's got an orange and yellow jumper. Yellow and orange. 1. This is Dad. He's got black shoes. It's a mistake. It's 4. Granny has got purple and pink hat. Purple and pink. 5. Next one, I've got head. I had toys. They are purple. I've got 10 I have got a head. It's a purple. I've got 10 hands. They are yellow. I've got 1 body. It's blue. I've got 2 arms. They are pink. Read and write. I am Nick. I have got 9 blue legs and 7 red arms. This is my friend Tom. He's got 6 right feet and 8 toes. This is my sister. She's got 1 purple head and 5 orange legs. Look, Mom has got 6 green toes. Dad has got 7 brown toes. I'm Tina. I've got 2 red shoes. I'm Rob. I have got green trousers. He's Gavin. He's got blue and white socks. Mom's got a yellow and orange skirt. Yellow and orange skirt and blue t-shirt. Blue t-shirt. 2 and 3. I've got a hat. It's a black. I've got 2 t-shirts. They are blue. I've got 1 dress. It's pink and white. I have got 2 socks. They are brown.
Unit 4. Listening Test A. Activity 1. Listen. Then draw.
He's got 6 arms and 8 legs. He's got green and yellow arms. He's got purple and black legs. He's got 16 fingers. He's got 20 toes. He's got blue fingers. He's got red toes. He's got 3 orange heads.
Unit 4. Listening Test A. Activity 2. Listen. Then circle. 1. I've got blue trousers. 2.
I've got a red dress.
3. I've got a yellow jumper. 4.
I've got dirty hands.
Unit 4. Listening Test B. Activity 1. Listen. Then write true or false. 1.
Hi, I'm Gus. I've got 6 red feet.
2. Hi, I'm Johnny. I've got a pink body and a purple head. 3.
Hi, I'm Sandy. I've got 7 white feet.
4.
Hi, I'm Mandy. I've got 12 green arms.
5.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I've got 3 red legs.
6. Hi, I'm Jeremy. I've got 8 green feet and 9 toes. Unit 4. Listening Test B. Activity 2. Listen. Then match. 1.
Look, she's got a red skirt.
2.
He's got a black hat.
3.
Look, she's got pink trousers.
4.
He's got a purple jumper.